What's up, ladies and gentlemen? What's going on? You guys know what time is it? That's right. It's that time to see what's inside the treasure chest. I think it's this one right here. But before that, I just want to share. Just went to Vegas. If you guys been to Las Vegas, the big gift shop in the corner of Las Vegas Boulevard and Sahara. Big gift shop, the Bonanza. Pick this up. Look at this. And this two right here will be added to my little treasure chest collection. Pretty nice, right? And there's like few of this out there, and it's kind of pricey. But this two, it's only $4.99, $5. See, $4.99, $5. So I said, oh, I better go get it. Look at that. Pretty nice, huh? Well, this one isn't open all the way. Look at that. Can't beat that. $5. And this one. Look at this. We got some Egyptian tombstone. Let's see what's inside. Whoa. Look at that. A mummy. Roar. Gonna take the mummy out. Take the mummy out and then put some grams of silver and gold in here. And cover it up like that. Or I'll just keep the mummy in there. See if I got room. Put some silver and gold down there, and then put the mummy on top, and cover it up. Cool. So let's see what we got in the treasure chest. Oh yeah. I got this in the mail for quite some time. I just didn't have time to make a video. This one is from Steve LFS. Let me double check real quick. Yep. From Steve Looking for Silver. And this one is from Plumber. Yep. From Plumber Stacker. So we'll see what we got in here. Oh, and this one I bought also, but it wasn't on that gift shop. It was one of those antique shop in old downtown Las Vegas art district. So I'm gonna open this up, and it's gonna be part of my background. Okay, so stand by. There you go. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Silent Silver here. So I kind of rearranged my little table here. Put my sticker board back there. So let me adjust the camera. Let me see a little bit. Okay. Hope and wish everyone's doing well. And let's go. Let's see. Open this one. This one I said I got it at one of the antique shop at the old downtown Las Vegas, the art district. Same those I got it at the gift shop at the big gift shop at the Sahara in Las Vegas Boulevard. The big gift shop there, the Bonanza. It's been there for many years. But this is the antique shop one, different place. Got it. Look at this. Booyah. Look at that. Brrr. Get the pirate. Yeah. Cool, huh? Put it. Add in my little background thing. You know, I still haven't decided set up a actual desk. I keep moving around. You know, before I was here, then I went down in the garage, and then I started making some videos in the kitchen area, and then make videos in the backyard with my goldfish. Now I'm back up here again. So let's see. Let's start with this is did I see? Did you see it? Steve LFS. Let's see. Let's cut it open. Hopefully you're not gonna get. Let's see what we got. Nothing there. See, man, Steve got it all taped up. I didn't know where to open this thing. Guess this way. So this one, look at this. Sorry for the lighting. It's one of those casino tokens. So reflective. It says our national park. It says a limited edition $10 gaming token. And this is Reno Hilton. I don't know if you can see that. If you could read it. I should turn off the light here real quick. There you go. I should turn off the light. Turn off that light either. Cool. One. I should turn the light back on a little bit. What else I picked up? This one. Oh, I don't have my gloves on, but She is Queen Elizabeth. It's a 2 ounce. You guys see that? Yale of Beaufort? Beaufort. Yale of Beaufort, 2 ounce. 2023. Cool, huh? See how thick that is. Nice. So that's Steve LFS, which is here. This big one right here. This thing. It's got a lot of stickers. We got a lot. Okay, this one now is from what did I say? Plumber. This is Plumber. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at that. One Onza. Libertad 2022. You see? Come on. Don't focus now. I guess with the light. There. Oh. And so like I have to do like an angle down. Nice. Cool. Sorry about that. The camera's not thing. Maybe I should get this one. Alright, open this up again. Yes, flat. Got some toning right there. Got it for 85. MS69. So 1996. Because I may want to get a 1996 for my my daughter's birthday. Cool. This one. Come on, man. I don't want to. Got it for $39 in 1993. MS69 also. Nice. And again, 1993. It's one of my daughter's birthday also. So that's it. If you guys haven't please check out his channel, Plumber Stacker, right there. That's his little sticker logo. Okay, and Steve looking for silver. Steve looking for silver. Check out their channel. You know, hit that like button, subscribe. You can tell them Silent Silver sent you. All right. So till next time, Silent Silver's gonna go bye bye. Hope everyone's doing well, and peace. Peace, y'all. Oh, peace and love to you all.